Make these 3 yogurt bowls and never wonder what to eat for breakfast again. Simple, satisfying, high-protein bowls that support your health and weight goals. Let's start. For the base, I'm using 2 Weetabix biscuits. They're crunchy, full of fiber, and work perfectly for yogurt bowls. If you can't find these exact ones, any crunchy crackers or low-sugar biscuits with decent fiber will do the job. Crumble 1.5 biscuits into a bowl, saving the last half for the topping. To the base, add a pinch of salt and a bit of vanilla powder or extract. Pour in a splash of milk and mix everything to soften it up and make it balanced. Now for the yogurt. In a separate bowl, combine plain Greek yogurt with a pinch of salt. It helps bring out the flavor. Add the same vanilla, some unsweetened cocoa powder, and your preferred sweetener. I use Stevia, but if that doesn't work for you, go with whatever you like, or even honey if you're okay with the extra carbs. Spoon the chocolate mixture over the softened base. Top with the remaining biscuit crumbled on top. A few slices of fresh strawberry, some chopped dark chocolate, and a few nuts for extra crunch. A balanced, textured yogurt bowl that feels more like a treat, perfect for breakfast or whenever you need something quick, satisfying, and high in protein. If thick, spoon-heavy yogurt bowls aren't your thing, this one's for you. It's lighter, smoother, and has a refreshing texture that works great any time of day. Into a blender, add cottage cheese and plain yogurt. I used a bit of honey, but if you want to lower the sugar and calories, feel free to use your favorite sweetener instead. Then comes a pinch of salt, vanilla, and a splash of juice from frozen berries. I used wild blueberries. You can use the juice either frozen or thawed. Frozen gives the yogurt a slightly icy texture, like sorbet, perfect for a cool, refreshing bite. I prefer thawed berries for a softer, creamier consistency. Blend everything until smooth. As a base, I added a small handful of cooked brown rice for a little variety. It's high in fiber and adds interesting texture, but you could also use Weetabix, like in the first bowl, or a low-sugar crunchy cracker instead. Pour the blended blueberry yogurt over the rice base. Top with sliced strawberries and kiwi, a few nuts for crunch, and a spoonful of thawed blueberries on top. The result, a smooth, creamy yogurt bowl with bright flavor, protein-rich ingredients, and enough volume to actually keep you full. And the color, just gorgeous. By the way, if simple, high-protein breakfasts are your thing, I've put together a recipe bundle you'll love. Everything takes under 15 minutes, with macros counted and ingredients that are simple and easy to find. You'll find the link in the description. It might just make your mornings a whole lot easier. Now we're on to a tropical mango coconut bowl. Creamy, refreshing, and still packed with texture. In a blender, combine cottage cheese, a pinch of salt, coconut flakes, plain yogurt, and sugar-free mango juice. Either frozen for a sorbet-like result or regular bottled juice. Both work great. Blend everything briefly, just enough to combine without losing that thick texture. For the base, I used Weetabix sticks. They're made from 100% whole grain and add a healthy, satisfying crunch. But you could also use any high-fiber cracker if preferred. Spoon the mango coconut mixture on top, then add a few slices of kiwi and strawberry. Sprinkle with extra coconut flakes, a few chunks of dark chocolate, and chopped nuts. Finish with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. We didn't sweeten the base, so this gives just the right amount of sweetness and a beautiful glossy finish. This is the kind of yogurt bowl you'll actually look forward to eating. Creamy, high in protein, with a mango coconut combo that feels more like a cafe treat than a quick breakfast at home. And that's it. 3 bowls, 3 moods, all ready in minutes. Which one feels most you today? Full recipes and shopping lists are in the description. Thanks for cooking with me.